Hello, fellow food enthusiasts. Today, I'm thrilled to introduce you to the Oster Pro 1200 blender with a professional Tritan jar and food processor attachment. If you're passionate about cooking, blending, and creating culinary masterpieces, this is the kitchen companion you've been waiting for. Stick around as we dive into the fantastic features that make this Oster Pro 1200 a game changer. Let's start with an overview of the Oster Pro 1200 blender. It's not your average blender, it's a culinary powerhouse. With dimensions of 15.25 inches by 7.25 inches by 8 inches and a robust 1200 watts of power, this blender can handle anything you throw at it. It's not just a blender, it's a game changer for your kitchen. Here are the key features of Oster Pro 1200 blender with professional Tritan jar. Dual direction blade technology. What sets the Oster Pro 1200 apart is its dual direction blade technology. This innovation ensures that even the toughest blending jobs are effortlessly tackled. It's like having a sous chef in your kitchen, making sure everything is perfectly blended, smooth, and ready to delight your taste buds. Versatile and interchangeable. One of the standout features of this kitchen marvel is its versatility. The extra-large 8-cup, BPA-free Tritan blender jar and 5-cup food processor are interchangeable, giving you the freedom to choose the right tool for the job. Whether you're blending a creamy smoothie or chopping ingredients for salsa, this blender has you covered. Smart settings for precision. No more guesswork in the kitchen. The Oster Pro 1200 comes with 7 speeds, including 3 pre-programmed smart settings. These settings are a game changer for common blender creations like smoothies, shakes, and more. Simply press a button, and the blender does the rest, ensuring consistent and perfect results every time. BPA-free and easy to clean. Safety is paramount in the kitchen, and the Oster Pro 1200 takes it seriously. The blender jar is made of BPA-free Tritan plastic, known for its clarity, durability, and style. Plus, it's dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. Say goodbye to the hassle of hand-washing your blender components. Extra wide jar for efficiency. The 3.5 inches extra wide jar is a game changer. It allows ingredients to reach the blades easier, resulting in faster and smoother blending results. Whether you're making a velvety soup or a nutritious smoothie, this jar ensures every ingredient is perfectly incorporated. Food processor attachment. The included 5-cup food processor attachment is a game changer for your kitchen prep. With slicing and shredding blades, you can effortlessly create salsa, guacamole, or your favorite dip. It's like having a mini food processor at your disposal, saving you time and effort. Ice crushing power. Need to crush ice for your favorite cocktails or frozen treats? The Oster Pro 1200 boasts 1200 power watts of ice crushing power. It pulverizes ice with ease, ensuring your drinks are icy perfection. And if you need precise control, the pulse feature is there for you. In conclusion, the Oster Pro 1200 blender with professional Tritan jar and food processor attachment is a kitchen game changer. Whether you're a seasoned chef or just starting your culinary journey, this blender will become your ultimate kitchen assistant. With dual direction blade technology, versatile options, smart settings, BPA-free materials, and ice crushing power, it has everything you need for culinary success. Don't miss out on this opportunity to elevate your kitchen game. The Oster Pro 1200 blender is here to make your cooking adventures more enjoyable, efficient, and delicious. Get ready to create culinary masterpieces with ease.